Add red chili first, then add turmeric, and then add coriander powder. And then add salt. And then add chili flakes. And then add ginger garlic paste. And then add half a cup of yogurt. Mix all the spices with chicken and keep for half an hour. Roast black pepper, coriander, cumin seeds, big cardamom in a fry pan for 5 minutes. Add half a kilo of ghee to the pan, then fry the onion in it until it turns brown. Now in the same ghee cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, fry for 2 minutes. Now put the marinade chicken in it and fry until the chicken cooks.
Now add almonds and brown onions to half a cup of milk and make a paste of it.
Now add 4 green chilies. Now almond and onion paste in pot.